Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anushka Bharti and I'm back to touch your heart with my original words. First and foremost, wishing you all a very happy new year. It's a new day and it's a new beginning. Hope you guys had enjoyed your day, and if you're someone who had just been stuck into your blanket, listening to your favorite songs or watching your favorite series, I wish that your day would have been good too. I've already seen many of the posts saying New Year is already hyped and that people just go to their favorite destinations and flaunt their visits and all in the social media. But people who like to celebrate even the prettiest of the celebrations and things in life would be in my support today and say that New Year is indeed a big deal to celebrate and to look upon. What's the most special thing in a new year? Anything? What comes in your mind? Well, to be honest, according to me, the most special thing in a new year is that it's a new year. Basic and simple as it is. It's a new year with new vibes, new energy, new opportunities, new bonds, new lessons from the previous experiences, new bonds with the old people, and new aura altogether. So just welcome this new year with your arms wide spread around and engulfing all the new and the positive energy inside you. To let this year one of the best years in your life and make it a grand happening in your story of life. Yeah, your life isn't any less than a story, isn't it? And another thing to keep in your mind and to really introspect upon is to be grateful in this new beginning. Yeah, as simple and as basic as the new year is. So, being grateful for everything which you have right now in your life, with everything which you are blessed with. There are millions of people who are literally craving for a roof, food and whatnot, and you are a privileged one being stuck in your blanket in your room comfortably, listening to your favorite songs, eating your favorite food and doing what all you want in your life, in your day specifically. Being grateful for your parents, for your siblings, for your friends, for whoever who is in your life, who cares for you, who loves you, who thinks about you and who deserves a thank you in your life. That you love them, you care for them and you are there for them whenever it's needed. People can come and can go in your lives. That's a constant thing. As we say, change is constant. But the thing which remains forever in your life is the experiences and the lessons which you get from them. I personally think that you never lose someone in your life. You may lose a person, that's fine, but you gain a whole lot of lesson from losing that person in your life. So, no loss is a loss indeed. But we usually tend to take a very long time to realize this, and I'm not any different. I've really kept this very random, like this part of the video, and I'm just sharing whatever is coming into my mind right now. So the crux is that I really want you guys to realize that it's a new year and you should be open to all the opportunities and everything in your life with wide open arms, because the future holds a lot more than you have just hoped for you and you have no realization of the same. Of course, by not forgetting your past or your previous years, your lessons and all these experiences are as important to you as the curiosity and the excitement of your future which you hold. So let's end today's random video on a positive note by a short couplet which fills me with a lot of enthusiasm and positivity whenever I read it. And do let me know if it does the same to you too. And another thing is the videos and the pics which I'll be adding on to this video in the couplet are all self-clipped. So just enjoy them.
The moon has a blot, still it pulls the waves to go higher. The sun seems glaring, still it shines with the fire. The mountains are tough, still they stay calm. The rivers are fast flowing, still they find the peace in an ocean's palm. I got a pimple, still I'm ready to step out and fly high. Accept the unacceptable and the world will flout.
The couplet's done. Keep your expectations low and your hopes high. Expectations can break you in the strongest of the situations, and hope can keep you intact in the weakest of situations. This new year gonna bring a lot of good luck for you, and that's for sure. Just keep your heart and mind and soul open. And please save some of the wishes for me too, because reopening of the colleges is something which I want from the deepest core of my heart right now from the universe, and so do my mates. And I personally believe that miracles do happen because of prayers. That's all. Once again, a very very happy new year to all of you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done till now, and do drop your wishes or anything as such in the comment box below. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Love you all.